Name.
Hi.
Welcome.
Let's begin.
Be very afraid.
Be afraid. Be very afraid.
Be afraid. Be very afraid.
And you should be very, very, very afraid.
The zucchini's not very afraid.
I was petrified.
You still petrified of vampires?
Yeah, I know. I'm petrifying.
To all who had been petrified.
I was so petrified.
I was really scared, like petrified.
I'm too petrified.
But very, very, very angry.
I'm very angry.
I am angry.
I am so angry.
I am so angry right now.
I'm simply furious.
I'm feeling furious. I'm gonna
Petition because I'm still furious.
Oh, I'm obviously still furious about the.
I am furious.
I am furious.
Bad. Very, very bad.
Very bad is very, very bad.
Bad. Very, very bad.
Very bad.
Awful. Awful.
It's an awful.
He's an awful man.
It's awful. It's an awful future.
It's awful.
Sounds awful.
It's awful. It's so.
It's awful.
I'm very beautiful.
All very beautiful.
Beautiful means pretty and tall.
Very beautiful woman.
You're a very beautiful woman.
Stunning.
Hashtag stunning.
Looking absolutely
Absolutely stunning.
You're absolutely stunning.
They're stunning.
It's very big. Very important.
Very big, intimidating.
Very big plans.
Very big.
Massive roar.
It's massive. It's massive. Looks massive. It's a massive hangnail.
Massive inconvenience.
Very boring. Dusty, dull, very boring.
Which is very boring.
Very boring.
Boring? You're spies.
Pretty dull.
Am I a dull white guy? Yes.
I am a god, you dull creature.
God, this is dull.
Nah, that sounds really dull.
When life's never dull.
Surprisingly dull so far.
Very clean.
First of all, very clean.
What are you doing here?
Really?
Very clean. Well, see you next year.
This place doesn't seem very clean. This
Shall be completely spotless.
I want it spot.
And this kitchen is always spotless.
Nurse, the OR looks as spotless as ever.
to have a spotless home in the time.
Keeping the New York streets spotless.
So very, very cold.
Cold. So very cold.
You're cold? You're very cold?
It's very cold out here.
Super cold out here.
It's freezing.
It's freezing.
Oh, it's freezing.
Freezing out here.
It's freezing out. Now, it's freezing out.
Come on! It's freezing out here!
Very confident. Almost too confident.
Yeah, too confident. Wow, you are very confident.
You're a very confident young man.
I'm very confident on this matter.
Most assuredly.
Most assuredly, yes.
I assure you. I assure you it is normal, dark, very, very dark basement. And sometimes very, very dark gray.
It's very dark and it's very far away.
It's getting dark. It's very dangerous.
It's very dark down there.
What? It's dark down there.
It's pitch black.
It was pitch black outside.
This pitch black abyss. Like
Ow!
It's pitch black in here.
It's pitch black in there anyway.
Difficult. Very difficult.
It's very difficult. And farming is very difficult.
This is very difficult, Mom.
This is a very difficult riddle.
The right path is long and arduous and enlightening.
Long, arduous journey of personal and spiritual discovery.
My arduous journey, however, was for naught.
Now to begin the arduous task of attaching it to the ship so...
Now, Eric, you've suffered massive head trauma. Your road to recovery will be long and arduous.
It is a very dirty and perverse business.
Dirty, dirty mouth, y'all.
Dirty?
Dirty, clean. Dirty, clean.
Are they clean or dirty?
Filthy.
Look!
Filthy. Absolutely filthy.
Gentlemen, this house is absolutely filthy.
This water is filthy.
This room is filthy.
Of course, filthy.
Filthy. I'm filthy.
They're filthy!
I'm very thirsty.
In private, I'm very thirsty.
And I'm thirsty.
I'm thirsty. You thirsty?
I'm thirsty.
I'm so parched.
I'm quite parched.
Man, I'm parched.
Prosecco.
I do not get parched.
Hey, is anyone else parched?
I was a parched widow seedling.
Well, it better be. I'm parched.
It was very, very easy.
It's very easy.
It's very easy. It's so easy. Everything very easy.
Which is very easy to use.
Effortless for you.
Effortlessly.
Writing. It should be effortless.
Victory should have been swift and effortless.
And effortlessly tempts us into unhinged depravity.
He brought me to this almost effortlessly.
Or effortlessly perfect, like Señorita Perfecta Isabel.
Very expensive electronics are...
It's, very expensive.
Oh, it's very expensive. It was very expensive. Some overpriced faceless.
Overpriced.
Drink overpriced coffee.
They've started their own overpriced coffee franchise.
That's stupid tiny guitars, overpriced.
Don't forget your overpriced candy.
Shoes goose, this stuff is overpriced.
It's pretty loud and really overpriced.
You're very fast.
Very fast.
I'm very high, very fast, so I need you to...
Going very fast. You're going too fast.
God, you are aging so rapidly.
Rapid. You are rapidly losing your value, Madalena.
Losing altitude rapidly.
Rapid and irreversible aging.
Hormone monsters age very rapidly.
I'm certainly very grateful for the rapid response.
Yes, very funny, very funny.
Very funny.
Very funny.
Very funny. Very funny.
Hilarious.
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 Hilarious. Hilarious.
Very good, son. Very good.
Very good.
Very, very good. And
Very, very good.
Very good. Very good.
excellent, excellent.
Excellent, excellent.
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 Yes, excellent.
Oh, excellent.
Excellent.
Excellent, Martin.
No, excellent. Excellent.
Daddy, very happy.
I'm very happy.
Your daughter will be very happy to wear such a beautiful dress.
And very happy.
I'm very happy. Don't know if I'm elated or gassy.
Oh, how elated I am to hear that.
I was thrilled. Elated.
So he'll never experience the pure elation of tasting an exquisite camembert.
Am I elated? This is great news. That's your elated face.
Your fathers must be elated.
Very hot.
They're very, very hot.
Like he does. Be careful. Very hot plate. Very hot.
The battery gets very, very hot.
In very hot water.
I'm scorching.
Is it scorching?
No scorching, son.
Maggie, that is scorching.
Because this pie is scorching.
Blistering cold and scorching desert. Suddenly 7 ears hardened and scorched.
Very hungry. Stop.
I'm very, very hungry.
We're very hungry.
I'm not very hungry.
I'm actually very hungry.
Starving.
I'm starving.
I'm starving. Who's hungry?
You hungry, babe?
Starving.
I'm starving.
I'm starving.
I'm starving. Very, very interesting.
Interesting. Very interesting.
Very interesting.
Interesting. Very interesting.
Very interesting.
Fascinating.
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 You're very kind.
Excuse me. He's very kind.
You're very kind.
Very kind. Wow!
That's very kind, but
This is so very kind of you.
Is compassionate.
Obviously, Michael Eisner is a compassionate.
Brave,
Compassionate. Disciplined.
Kind, compassionate.
You're thoughtful, compassionate.
But you're smart, compassionate.
Lazy? Lazy leaves. Lazy, fatty, garbage leaves.
Recipe, she was very lazy.
Lazy. Clumsy.
Gluten causes sluggishness, irritability.
You're still tired and sluggish.
You know, I feel kind of sluggish.
For reasons beyond my control, I will soon become vapid, sluggish, and slow-witted.
And if they're acting sluggish, slip some steroids into their cocaine.
Tom Brady looking sluggish again today.
Chant! Very loud chant!
Very loud.
very loud, very embarrassing consequences.
Sometimes very loudly.
It's very loud.
Apparently the sound is deafening. The sound is deafening when they pound, pound, pound.
The bright lights, the deafening applause. And since the silence is deafening...
I can't stand the deafening silent way.
What am I to the deafening roar of the macrocosmos?
Too loudly, it's deafening.
It's not that loud.
That's...
In the intelligence community can be very mean.
That was very mean.
Very mean.
How?
How'd that make you feel, miss? Mean. Very, very mean.
Cruel? Was it?
That's cruel.
It's cruel!
Unnecessarily cruel.
Cruel? Oh, no.
Oh, cruel fate!
Oh, cruel Savannah.
Ooh.
Oh yeah, super cruel.
Or it's going to get very messy in there.
It's about to get messy.
It's gonna get messy, Ferdinand.
It's messy.
It's a little messy. We had
Oh, yeah. It's really messy.
Do something chaotic?
Quick, Discord, do something chaotic before it's too late. That's pretty chaotic, right? It's just so chaotic.
But he's pure chaotic rage.
You're the one that's crazy and chaotic.
You don't think I'm chaotic and crazy?
What? He's very nervous.
He's been acting very nervous and secretive.
You making me nervous. Very nervous, brother.
make me nervous.
You make me nervous too.
Anxious?
I do feel less anxious.
When I feel anxious, it makes me feel anxious.
He feels anxious?
Repeating myself makes me anxious.
Sorry, taggers make me anxious.